Okay, so here we have a 44-year-old female, and you can see on the top there's no second heart sound. You got the first one, that's fine, but no second one. So this was at 10:32 a.m. this morning, and we're looking at 11:19, so almost about an hour later because I didn't have a chance to get back to her until then. So she had cataplex F pearls, and I give her also soybean lecithin. And reason I gave her that, I can show you in another graph here, but I want to just show where the second heart sound is here. So you can see that you actually have a second heart sound. So pretty cool. And let me show you. Let's see if it was on the aortic. Yeah, you can see here it's a little bit roughened when after the contraction of the heart, you have that solid contraction, and there's a little bit of regurgitation of the blood here, so it gives a little bit of a sound. So the soybean lecithin helps to kind of smooth that out, so it allows the blood to more smoothly move through the arteries and through the heart, and so you can see that little bit of a change there. So you don't have as much of that as you did here. So those are some of the differences you see. So if you want similar results to this, you're welcome to give our office a call. Phone number is 716-754-9039, and always remember, a nourished body is a happy body.